I want to show you how to see which reels your friends have liked or commented on Instagram. So first thing is that you have to head to the App Store to update your Instagram to the latest version because this is kind of a new feature. So if you haven't updated your Instagram, you might not be able to use it. So after Instagram is updated, you open the Instagram application and you tap on the Reels section. As you can see, there is this friends icon on top. If you tap on it, you can see all the Reels that your friends have liked or commented on Instagram. For example, my friends has reposted this one. Now, this feature is turned on by default, but if you want to turn it off, you should head over to the setting of your Instagram account and scroll down to find Activity in Friends tab. When you tap on it, you see it says, who can see your likes and comments on Reels in the Friends tab? By default, it's on followers you follow back, but if you want, you can put it on no one, so nobody sees the Reels that you like or comment on. And then we can go to the Reels section again. And still, you can see that we can see the Reels that our friends have liked.